Welcome to this important day. Why is May 29th the most famous day in India? Research question. It is the day for the first time anybody could reach at the top of Mount Everest. The day Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing reached on the peak of Everest. Don't you think it's an important day for a research day? With that motto in mind, that we can climb up to the Everest, I welcome you all as one of you to the research day today. Actually, the question whether it should be called a research day can also be put to debate, because every day is a research day. All 365 days of the year are research day. But yes, it is the inaugural first collective joint effort of students and all of us to think more, think beyond, and also to showcase some of what has been done at ILBS. For us, research is religion, asking questions, breaking dogmas is the beginning of your journey. I do hope that each one of you educates the other. And every one of us must have an open mind to criticism, an open mind. There is something I very fondly say, Bethicalism, B-E, Bethicalism. Bethicalism is the core of all religions. Hinduism, Judaism, take anything, you have an ism, I-S-M, ism. But what is the core of all religions is be ethical. Treat others as you would do to yourself. So be ethical. Bethicalism is the core of all research. Don't take away others' credits. Don't ever say what you have not done has been done by you. Therefore, with this research day, I would like to one more time emphasize that there is no academic head here. There is only an administrative structure. You are prompted, pushed to reach the academic heights. Pick the Mount Everest twice. Go there. Be there. Look at the world from the top of Mount Everest. I want to thank Rakhi, Vikrant, who have worked very hard, and all the judges from all over who have kindly consented to join with us, and of course the two very famous scientists, Professor Sanyal from the US and Professor Risha Moru from Paris, to have joined us today. I do bring everyone that enthusiasm, that kind of fervor in research of asking questions and making impossible treaded upon, walked upon, where no one walks, do walk, explore. And I do hope ILBS will reach greater heights starting one more time from today. Thank you.